Let's try an example to determine the mean, median, and mode for a set of discrete data. The set of data is given here. To determine the mean, you need to sum up all the data here divided by total number of data. And in this case, the mean is equals to 5. Next, to determine the mode and mean, you need to rearrange the data in an ascending order. From the data here, number 3 appears the most. Therefore, it is considered as the mode. There are 13 data here. The middle term will be at the term 7, which is equals to 4. With that, the median will be equals to 4. Next, we try another example to determine the mean, median, and mode for the group data. The time taken in minutes to assemble a device is measured 50 times. And the results are as shown in the table here. You are asked to draw a histogram to demonstrate the data and determine the mean, median, and mode of the distributions. These are the classes and the frequency are given here. To solve these questions, first, you need to determine the lower boundary of the class, the upper boundary of the class, and also the center value of the class. The lower boundary of the class is obtained by taking the average value of the upper boundary and the lower boundary between two classes, and the upper boundary will be obtained in the similar manner. These are the lower and the upper boundaries. The center value is obtained by taking the average of the lower and the upper boundary. The frequencies are given. Now you can sketch the histogram. To obtain the mean, you may find the centroid of the histogram. Draw a centroid line to separate the histogram left side and the right side with an equal amount of area. If you find it difficult for you to determine the positions of the mean, you may use these equations. Create an additional column here, constituting the value of the multiplications of the mid value with the frequency. Sum up the multiplication values, you get sigma fx. Also, sum up the frequency value here, you get sigma f. The mean is determined by the summations of fx divided by sigma f. The mean is obtained as 19.6 minutes. Next, you can determine the median of the histogram. First, you need to determine the positions of the cumulative frequency of 25th on 26th term, as the 25th and 26th term will be the two midterm within the 50 frequency total. From the frequency here, you know that the median class will be here, as the cumulative of this is equals to 29, which is greater than 25 and 26. The total frequency of the median group is 16. You will need to divide this histogram bar into 16 pieces. Cumulative of the two classes before the median class is 13. you need another 12 pieces here. Out of the 16 pieces of the histogram bar at the medium class, 12 pieces will be on the left side while the rest are on the right side. Draw a line to separate the 25 frequency on each side of the histogram. Find the intersections within the scale of the X here. You will be able to determine the medium. Alternatively, you may use the equations to help you to compute the value. Both should give you the same value. The L here represents the lower boundary of the medium class, which is 18. The N here is equals to 50. N divided by 2 is 25. The F here is the cumulative frequency before the medium class, which is the summations of 5 and 8 before the medium class. The small f here represents the frequency of the medium class, which is equals to 16. And the C here represents the size of the medium class. It is determined by minusing the upper boundary with the lower boundary. You will get the medium equals to 19.5 minutes. As for the mode, you need to identify the tallest bar in the histogram. Draw a cross line at the corners of the histogram bar, and then draw a line vertical from the intersections of the cross. The intersect with the x-axis will indicate the mode of the histogram. With that, you are able to obtain the mode equals to 19.3. Under the normal circumstances, the value of mean, median, and modes are normally quite close. However, this may not always be true, especially in the case that the distributions are quite scattered around.